All right, today we're looking at my MoonSwatch Mission to Earth. When it was released last spring, it was the watch event of the year, and there were tons of videos of absolute pandemonium outside the Swatch stores. Then, inevitably, the flippers were selling them online for multiple times the original price of $260 US. And luckily, the hype has died down, and I was on a business trip to Vancouver, and they had a Swatch boutique store there, and I was able to pick one up very easily. They had all but two of the swatches, or moon swatches. The only ones that were not available were the Mission to the Moon in all gray and the Mission to Neptune, which is a darker blue color. The watch is super light, 1 ounce. It weighs, with the strap, it weighs only 1 ounce or 29 grams. The width is 43.5 millimeters. It is 47 millimeters long, and it is 13.2 millimeters tall. And it is so light when you are wearing it, you definitely feel the strap more than the watch itself. And here it is in comparison to a F91W, so it's a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker, but in the hand, like, you just feel the strap more than anything else. You can see here the acrylic crystal is not flush with the bezel, and the dome shape definitely adds a bit of height to the watch. The watch is quartz, and you can see the second hands tick by down here in the bottommost subdial. And when you start the timer, you can see in a mechanical watch it would sweep through, but here it ticks through once a second, and you can see that it kind of goes off just like a quartz watch would. As you saw, the top button starts and stops the timer, and the bottom resets it. So let's get it on 30 seconds, and we will stop it. And you can see that we can reset it back. And on this mission to Earth, the dark blue, or dark gray blue, kind of goes really well with the green mint color mint that is on the watch itself, and then this buckle right here on the strap. And on the back, you can see the Earth is the battery cover, and you can see Swiss made, water resistant, 4 joules, which is probably the least amount of joules you can have. It is a quartz watch. You can see it says dream big, fly higher, explore the universe, reach for the planets, enjoyed the mission. And then you can see the mission on Earth is right here. And so it's a very, you can see more the mint green, pastel green color right here. And the one thing I would change would actually be the strap. You can see it is a really odd in several ways. One is where the loop is, it's really, really short. And you can see the other part is a long Velcro. So I actually swapped it. The shorter portion is down here when you get the watch, and then the longer portion's up, and just wasn't as comfortable for me to wear, because closer to you the buckle will be right there, and just kind of wasn't great. So in order to put it on, you had to loop it through, and then Velcro it, and it just, I don't know, it's fiddly and just not very comfortable. I would say the Velcro adds unnecessary thickness. You can see where, especially where it loops through, it's extra thick, and it's just bulky, and to be honest, it's just not that comfortable. But good thing the watch is really, really light, so you don't feel it as much. I actually would have been totally fine with a standard Swatch silicone strap they use for In fact, all of their watches. In fact, I would definitely buy one or have that choice if they actually made one or something, you know, Silken River or something like this. That's light. That would have been great. But at the end of the day, it is a fun and cool tribute to the original Speedmaster Moonwatch at 1/25th the price. And so, yeah, it's a fun, cool watch to have. And you can pick the color that you want as well. And one thing, if maybe you find a replacement strap, that would be it.